Today, we're diving into the fast way to make money as an affiliate. We often talk about the slow route, building websites, gaining authority over time through SEO and all that, but this presentation is different. We're focusing on how to build a fast affiliate campaign, a completely modern-day approach that requires absolutely no selling, cost per lead or lead gen. This is where companies pay us simply to get a lead for them. We are not selling anything. I'll show you examples throughout this presentation, but the beauty of this is that we aren't actually selling. This makes conversions much easier, allowing us to make money without a long sales pitch or getting people to pull out their credit cards. So, what is a qualified lead? This is what we get paid for. When a lead is generated, companies pay us to acquire leads who are genuinely interested in their products and services, making them potential consumers. We need to understand who we're working with to provide them with qualified leads. Qualified leads are legally defined within each affiliate marketing program. When you join these programs, they specify the criteria for a qualified lead, what you need to do to get paid, and when you get paid. The key is that these leads are genuinely interested in the product or service we're promoting. Let's give a quick overview, similar to how general affiliate marketing works. You have the affiliate in the middle, between the merchant and the lead. The merchant, whether it's an individual or a company, wants leads for their business, names, emails, addresses, information. We, as the affiliate, set up a landing page to attract people. Once a lead clicks on the offer link from our landing page, a cookie is tagged to their computer. As soon as they become a lead, the merchant checks the affiliate ID in that cookie, and we get credit and get paid according to the agreement. Basically, we drive people to our website, and the merchant pays us for these leads. So, does this mean we get paid when nothing is sold? Of course it does. We get paid when we generate leads. Some companies will pay as high as $50 just for someone to fill in a short online form. It might seem hard to believe, but these are multi-million or even billion-dollar companies. They understand the value of a qualified lead to them. They know they'll make significantly more from this lead than what they pay us because they have a full back-end system and sales funnel in place. Not all offers pay $50. Some pay as low as $1, but I'll show you those shortly. Running CPL offers is simple in theory. Get an affiliate link, build your landing page, drive traffic, and earn commissions without selling anything. It sounds easy, and the truth is, it's a lot easier than getting a sale. General affiliate programs usually involve selling something where the customer needs to pull out their credit card, buy, and you get a percentage of the sale. This isn't ideal for those seeking easy conversions with less effort in convincing and marketing. Getting someone to convert into a lead is much easier, though the payout is typically less than a credit card sale. My main focus for the past 4 years has been running offers with extremely low barriers to conversion, but still decent payouts. I promote offers that are generally free to the user, no credit card needed, or involve a $1 or $2 trial offer that pays me high amounts for a credit card submission. Getting someone to convert into a lead is much easier, though the payout is typically less than a credit card sale. My main focus has been running offers with extremely low barriers to conversion, but still decent payouts. I promote offers that are generally free to the user, no credit card needed, or involve a $1 or $2 trial offer that pays me high amounts for a credit card submission. Let me give you some examples of CPL offers. First, let's talk about email and zip submit offers, which generally pay you for just an email or a zip code submission. Here's an example from a CPL network focused on lead offers. If I click on campaigns, you'll see most of these are email submit offers. There are two types. Single opt-in. As soon as someone enters their email into the form, I get paid, such as $1.75 per lead. And double opt-in. The person enters their email, then has to check and confirm their email before I get paid, also $1.75 in this example. This network specializes in sweepstakes offers, like winning $500, which many run on Facebook or with cheap traffic from various countries, not just the US. Pretty much every mainstream network has some type of email submit offer. Next, let's look at sign-up offers and single-page forms. Example: a game called Dragon Awakened pays $2.50 for a sign-up. These games are promoted via native ads or search traffic, often through quiz-style landing pages like, "Do you like to play games?" Once they answer a sequence of questions and sign up, the affiliate makes $2.50. This is a single opt-in, meaning payment occurs as soon as they enter their information and hit the button. You generally need to request access to these offers and have an account with the network, which often involves an interview process. These networks are strict because they don't want scallywags and schemers blasting fake traffic, as they can detect scams. Let's check out credit card submit offers, multi-page forms, and pay-per-call. Auto insurance, where you might get $7 for a single-page form where they select their car, type in make and model, hit submit, and enter their name. American Disability, which is pay-per-call. If I get someone to call a provided number and stay on the line for, say, 60 seconds, I get $16 CPA. Email submit. Examples might range from 40 cents or $2 for a lead. There are tons of places to find CPL offers in various networks, and their payouts are generally much higher than the 10% commission you might get from a sale-based offer like Amazon. Hopefully, this provides a clear understanding of the types of CPL offers available. Now, let's talk about the 3 best ways to run CPL offers, based on years of testing and spending millions. There are many ways, but these are my favorites. First, you get traffic and send it to an advertorial, which then links to a lead submit form. What is an advertorial? An advertorial appears to be native content wherever the user is. For example, if someone is reading CNN, we want our article to look like a news-style article. These are legal to use, but there are FTC restrictions you must follow, such as declaring it an advertisement at the top. Many offers encourage using advertorials because they generate the best quality leads as people believe the content they're reading. Next is a listicle. For example, 5 great ways to save money and earn extra cash. Users read what they think is an article, but each tip in the list has a link out to a lead gen offer. For instance, they might see a $500 gift card offer and click through to an email submit offer. You can adapt this to any niche or angle, changing the title and filling it with lead gen offers. Lastly, the survey quiz page lead submit is another extremely effective method. We have a survey page example in the diabetes niche. Engagement. The goal is to immediately engage people on your page. Once they're engaged through micro steps, they're more likely to convert. How it works. You ask simple questions like, do you or anyone you know work for an insulin company? After going through the questionnaire, it appears to validate your answers, then sends you to the lead submit offer, or a video presentation in some cases. These pages are extremely effective, especially for interrupting people with Facebook ads, and are less often banned than advertorials on Facebook. Let's look at an example of one affiliate account running advertorials. In this case, 6,300 unique clicks to the first offer resulted in roughly 2,400 conversions. This means the conversion rate is almost 40%, possibly even more, which is insane. This affiliate is making $4.44 per click, demonstrating an extremely high converting offer. This specific offer converts on a first name, last name, and email submit, paying roughly $10 to $15 per lead. Here's another CPL example. The offer drove 1,700 conversions on 6,500 clicks, resulting in an A conversion rate of 26.19%, meaning 1 in 4 people convert. And our payout here is roughly $25 per lead. These are the numbers you can achieve with CPL offers. Sometimes, seeing something working is all it takes to make it work for you. It's a hands-on business, but you can step away and your ads and website continue to work for you, whether you're at the beach or walking your dogs. Let's do some quick math to illustrate the potential. If you have 100 visitors to the landing page, you can expect 20 to 30 clicks to the offer. With a conservative 25% conversion rate, that's about 5 conversions. At a $12 payout, that's roughly $60 in revenue. If you earn $60 on 100 visitors, then each visitor needs to cost you less than 60 cents to turn a profit. For anyone who has run traffic before, you know that 60 cents is actually a fairly expensive click. There are far less expensive clicks available. The calculation into profitability isn't hard, assuming you have the right landing page, the right offer, and the tracking setup. Do you see the potential here? The easiest way to find more ad examples is to spy. What are native ads? Native ads appear on major news networks like CNN, Fox News, Yahoo, Huffington Post. These news networks monetize their websites by placing advertisements that appear within the content or in sidebars. Credibility. When you click on these, the news site makes money. These are called native ads because users often perceive them as legitimate content from the news site itself, giving them immediate credibility. Native ad networks. You can sign up and reach people at the right moments. You can spy for free by browsing these sites and observing the sponsored links and promoted content. However, you need to understand how to prevent big losses. If you go into these platforms blind and just set up a campaign, you will lose money, no question. You have to be prepared to lose money on your first campaign. I'll show you how to stop losses and turn them into wins. Sinkhole number 5. Failing to read the offer terms. Most lead offers require approval. You'll need to fill out a form and explain your promotional methods. Being upfront and legitimate increases your chances of approval. Offers will have compliance announcements detailing allowed promotional methods, banners, search traffic, social media, incentives, and co-regs. They also specify what's not allowed, such as brokering the offer to another affiliate. Crucially, pay attention to allowed countries. If an offer only allows the United States, running it in Canada will mean losing all your money. Sinkhole number 4. Poor quality leads and aggressive ads. If you send junk traffic from shady ad networks or aggressive ads, your leads will be poor quality because people won't believe you if you're lying. Advertisers will pause you indefinitely if your leads suck or don't back out, meaning real customers aren't buying the products on the back end. Consistently sending bad traffic will get you paused forever. The industry is a small community. If you scam one network, your name will be known and you'll be tarnished. Sinkhole number 3. Fraud and greed. This is why CPA networks are so strict. Many scammers try to enter fake data to get paid for leads. Networks use sophisticated software and tools to detect this. This is a complete waste of your time and will result in you not getting paid. Avoid black hat forums that promote scamming these networks. Sinkhole number 2. Low payouts and bad offer EPCs. The offers I've shown have good payouts because I generally work directly or with networks that work directly with offer owners, cutting out middlemen. When offers are brokered down a chain to networks that accept anyone, payouts get lower due to poorer quality. Also, tracking stats can be 5 to 10% off the original when an offer is brokered through multiple networks. Always try to be as close to direct as possible. When you get an offer, ask if they are direct or brokering. If they are brokering, try to find the direct network. Sinkhole number 1. Not using tracking. Pixels are extremely important. Facebook has a pixel you put on your website, allowing them to track everyone who completes an action. Facebook then uses its vast data to show your ads to similar people. It's crucial to use the Facebook pixel. Other ad networks like Google and native ad platforms also use pixels. Now you have many of the in and outs of CPL marketing. The next thing to do is put your own CPL campaign into play.